Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we will show you how to move buttons in your Shopify store to improve the layout, design, and user experience. Whether we want the buttons higher, centered, or placed under specific content, adjusting their position can make our store look cleaner and more professional. Let's get started on the Shopify dashboard. All we need to do is go to the online store on the left side of the dashboard. From here, simply click the theme we are using, then click Edit Theme. Next, let's head to the Products section since that's where our buttons are located. Click the default product, and under the product information, we can see our buttons here. Right now, the buttons are roughly in the middle. If we want to move them to the bottom, just drag them down. As we can see, they are now at the bottom. We can also move them to the top or back to the middle. Simply drag the buttons to whichever position works best for our store. And that's how we move buttons in Shopify to better fit our design.